Today we're going to be answering a common question we hear about quite a bit: how to properly install an aftermarket shift knob on your Mustang. It's a very easy process, a couple little steps here and there to make sure that you do it properly. We're going to show you how to install a shift knob by an ASE certified technician on your Mustang. Check it out. Before you remove your factory shift knob, go ahead and engage the emergency brake first, because your car will need to be in neutral in order to install the shift knob. All you need for installation is some blue thread locker and your shift knob. In order to remove the factory shift knob, go ahead and turn the shift knob counterclockwise until it's fully removed. Go ahead and grab your new shift knob and the blue thread locker. You can fill up the threads on one side of the shift knob with the thread locker before installation. If you look closely, you can see how much thread locker Jamie added to the shift knob. You want to turn the shift knob clockwise in order to tighten it. You want to make sure that you don't over tighten the shift knob, otherwise your shift knob could look like this. This is the careful part. You need to make sure that you're able to engage the car in reverse and all 6 gears before you're ready to move on to the next step. If you don't need to start the car, but go ahead and turn on accessory mode, and you can see if the rear view camera comes on by pulling the collar up and actually putting the shifter into reverse. After that, slightly back it off till the shift pattern is straight and your installation is complete. All you'll need to do is let this sit overnight so the thread locker can set, and tomorrow morning you'll be good to go.